Hi, this is RockinRobin. Welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channels that help resellers make more money. Now, I'm excited today because things on Poshmark are popping for me, and that really makes me happy. So today I'm going to talk about why it is that Poshmark is selling for me all of a sudden. Now, if you haven't used Poshmark, I'm going to tell you a few things about it, so you're going to want to listen. Now, if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay. We've been selling on eBay for a long time. We sell on Mercari. We sell on Poshmark. Happy to do that today. We sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. So today we're talking about Poshmark. We don't talk about Poshmark that often, so this is a rarity. You stay with us. We're going to tell you why sales are popping for me on Poshmark. Okay, so you're wondering, why are sales popping? Well, I'll tell you. I decided maybe 2-3 weeks ago that I was fed up with the process of eBay. And I've always done Poshmark, I've always done Mercari, but I decided I'm going to stop doing my store on eBay. So what I did was, I sell a lot of clothes. I put everyone on Poshmark, and I'm not even done yet. I've got about 1,400 items to list, and I've done about 450. Let me tell you, I thought that Poshmark just had to be fancy clothes, you know. I put all my Tommy Bahama Hawaiian shirts, but I didn't put any of the other ones. I put my shoes that were expensive, but I didn't put my other ones. A lot of items I never listed on Poshmark. I've been listing, I've been listing 50 a day, and I've been getting 3-4 sales a day. I've been getting like 5 or 6 offers, and I go back and forth, and sometimes we reach a price and sometimes we don't, but it's great. I mean, if you don't cross list, maybe you ought to start. If you sell clothes and you're really slow right now, because I hear a lot of people saying things are slow, everything is slow. It doesn't have to be clothes. There's also some cosmetics and some home items, and it's men's and women and kids. Try posting on Poshmark. Now, what I find is you're offering something new. These are a whole bunch of new. I've got a ton new followers. I got people sharing constantly, and I'm selling some of the items that have been sitting on eBay for a year, some over a year. All of a sudden they're selling on Poshmark. Maybe the same thing's going to work when I do it with Mercari, because I'm going to put it on Mercari eventually. Right now I'm doing Poshmark because I wanted to do my clothes, but I'm going to put clothes and other items on Mercari as well. So if I do this one now, and when I'm done with Poshmark, then I put them all on Mercari, I'm going to have sales running constantly. So why don't you try something new? You're very slow. Take what you have on Poshmark. Take what you have on eBay, put them on Poshmark, or put them on Mercari, and start putting all of them. I have so many different items, and I'm loving it. My postman is coming, and he's like, wow, you got so many packages, and I've had to bring them to UPS, and the UPS guys have seen me every day, and they're like, what's going on? Well, that's why I'm popping. Everything is popping because I'm adding a ton on Poshmark. And you know, last year at this time, I think I took whatever I had, a lot of items off Poshmark. So maybe if you just once a year put a ton of items on, then all of a sudden sales will boom. Now, I'm selling some things I had on Poshmark before as well. So it's just fantastic. I'm really, really happy about what's happening here with Poshmark. So if you like to learn and you like to grow your sales, what you sell online, please keep watching. Please remember to subscribe, because that's important. You need to constantly watch and learn. And you know, I watch and learn other channels as well. You can't just concentrate on one channel, and you can't just watch it from time to time. You need to watch continually, and you need to watch several channels, because I learn all the time. I didn't learn this just happened, and I wanted to tell you about it. But you know, you always gotta keep learning. That's really key to success. And if you give us a like, we'd appreciate that. We love to have a like. Just click that button. And lastly, if you hit the bell, then you'll be notified every time we have a video, and you know you won't miss anything. So I hope your sales are popping. If not, please try putting them on a different format and see what happens. Mercari costs nothing to put it on, and Poshmark costs nothing to put it on. Unlike eBay, which you can only have so many, you can have unlimited on those two formats. So you give it a try. What I want you to do right now is I want you to find something. Put it on Poshmark, put it on Mercari, put it somewhere different. and you go make yourself some money. See you soon.